Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am lecturer Muhammad Farhan Sheikh. Today my topic is dark reaction. In previous lecture we discussed the introduction of dark reaction. Now today we discuss in detail the process of dark reaction. How dark reaction take place in the plants. You know, in light reaction ATP and ADP form. These two energies and enzymes of stroma are utilized to perform the process of dark reaction. Keep in your mind, dark reaction does not require light and may take place both in light and dark during night time. In dark reaction, hydrogen, which is separate from water and combine with carbon dioxide to form simple carbohydrate. Previously, may I discuss this in my previous lecture, that hydrolysis of water take place. When hydrolysis of water take place, the hydrogen of water combine with carbon dioxide to form simple carbohydrate. By the help of rich energy compound ATP. In dark reaction, chemical energy used in the form of ATP and NADPH2. These two energies, ATP and NADPH2. These are the product of product of light reaction. These are the product of light reaction, these two things and enzymes of stroma. Enzyme of stroma take part in the process of dark reaction. The first time on the dark reaction worked by Kelvin Benson. These are the two scientists. They first time discussed the pathway of carbon to carbohydrate in unicellular algae chlorella, and his co-worker first time the process of dark reaction investigate in the chlorella. So Kelvin Benson work on the pathway of carbon to carbohydrate, how carbon to carbohydrate form during the process of dark reaction. So this process completed on the basis of dark reaction. Kelvin Benson got Nobel Prize. They got नोबेल प्राइज के दोनों साइंटिस्टों को इनके पायनियर वर्क की बेसिस के ऊपर नोबेल प्राइज से अवॉर्डेड किया गया था. दिस साइकिल इज आल्सो कॉल्ड कैल्विन बेंसन साइकिल और इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड, आप अगर चाहें तो इसको नाम दे सकते हैं रिडक्टिव पेंटोस फॉस्फेट साइकिल. रिडक्टिव पेंटोस फॉस्फेट साइकिल और कैल्विन बेंसन साइकिल्स और डार्क रिएक्शन. ओके, और द डार्क रिएक्शन is also called C3 plants. In my previous lecture May I give the idea of C3 plants because the first product is from glycerate 3 phosphate and glycerate 3 phosphate contain 3 carbons. So on this basis this reaction is also called as, this process is also called as C3 plants. Calvin cycle actually consists of 13 main reactions or steps, which are catalyzed by 11 enzymes. The dark reaction consists on the 13 main reaction. These reactions are catalyzed by the help of 11 enzymes. 11 enzymes. So the process of dark reaction is divided. The dark reaction divided into 3 phases. Number 1, carboxylation. Number 2, reduction. Number 3, regeneration. So this process consists on the 13 main reactions, and these 13 main reactions catalyzed by 11 enzymes. But this process we divided into the 3 steps in your syllabus books. Number 1, carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. First of all, we discuss the carboxylation. What is carboxylation? First of all, we discuss the process of carboxylation. It is considered that carbon dioxide first combined with a compound called ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. First step. It is the first step. The carbon dioxide combined with complex compound ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. A ribulose biphosphate to form 6 carbon compound called keto acid. The keto acid is unstable molecules So it divided into two molecule. One is G3P, glycerate 3 phosphate is the first product of dark reaction, and it contains 3 carbons. So the plants are also called C3 plants. C3 plants. You know, in carboxylation, fixation of carbon dioxide. This process takes place in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. Accepted in the dark reaction of photosynthesis, many carbon rearrangement take place. In this process, means arrangement of carbon dioxide take place. This carbon dioxide combine with ribulose 1,5 biphosphate like this. 3 carbon dioxide. Okay. This carbon dioxide combine with RUBP. You know what is RUBP? Ribulose biphosphate. You have ribulose 1,5 biphosphate. In the presence of Ribisco enzyme. In the presence of Ribisco enzyme. Ribisco, may I discuss in my previous lecture what are the Ribisco enzyme? Is the most abundant enzyme, proteinous enzyme on the earth. So it form glycerate 3 phosphate G3P. This is the first product of dark reaction. Now we discuss the next step, reduction. This is the carboxylation. In carboxylation, fixation of carbon dioxide take place with a complex or complicated compound ribulose 1,5 biphosphate in the presence of Ribisco enzyme. Second step, yes, second phase is that reduction. What is reduction? This reaction consists of many steps. Number 1, G3P, you know, this is the first product of dark reaction. G3P utilized ATP. ATP energy. ATP, you know, adenosine triphosphate. Now in this process, G3P utilized the ATP compound from the light reaction and it converted into G3P utilize ATP energy from the light reaction. Light reaction and to form to form glycerate 1,3 biphosphate. This is the first step of reduction. In reduction, glycerate 3-phosphate utilize the ATP energy to form glycerate 1,3 biphosphate. Now ATP change into the ADP, and second reaction is that the glycerate 1,3 biphosphate. Now this product glycerate 1,3 biphosphate combined with the hydrogen of NADPH2 to form glycerate aldehyde 1,3 biphosphate. Now glycerate 1,3 biphosphate combine with the hydrogen of NADPH2 to form. Now here glycerate 1,3 biphosphate when combined with the hydrogen of this hydrogen, combined with the hydrogen of NADPH2, then it is formed glycerate aldehyde 1,3 biphosphate. Now here glycerate 1,3 glycerate aldehyde 1,3 biphosphate is formed. In the third step, this product glycerate aldehyde 1,3 biphosphate is converted into glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate by the release of phosphate group. Reaction number, step number 3. The glycerate aldehyde 1,3 biphosphate change into this product means glycerate, या फिर शॉर्ट में आप कह सकते हैं ग्लासर, चेंज इनटू glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate. Glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate by the release of phosphate group. When glycerate aldehyde 1,3 biphosphate, keep it in mind, biphosphate. Then when one phosphate is released, then it is changed from biphosphate to phosphate. Now glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate combined with isomers, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, in short DHAP, to form carbohydrate or glucose. Now step number 4, last one is that in the previous step aldehyde 3-phosphate GA3P is formed. Now glycerate aldehyde glycerate, aldehyde, phosphate combine with this glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate combine with the isomers. This isomers dihydroxyacetone. Name is that dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Phosphate. In short we say that DHAP. In short, we say that DHAP to form glucose. Glucose or simple carbohydrate. Now, acceptor in the dark reaction of photosynthesis, many carbon rearrangement occur during this process. The carbon compound are arranged in different manners due to which ribulose bis biphosphate is also regenerate. During the process, 6 molecules of carbon compound form. These 6 molecules, 5 are used to regenerate the ribulose biphosphate. Means out of 6, means may I say that 6 molecules of carbon compound. Keto acid, keep in your mind, out of 6, 5 are regenerate the ribulose biphosphate. And when one carbon dioxide combine with, so carbon dioxide contain only 1 carbon and ribulose 1,5-biphosphate contain 5 carbons. And now this is a 5 carbon compound, and when it is combined with carbon dioxide, then the 1 carbon of the carbon dioxide now here form 6 carbon compound, and this 6 carbon compound is that keto acid. Keto acid, you know, unstable molecules break down into 2 molecules to form glycerate 3-phosphate. Glycerate 3-phosphate is a starting point in the formation of glucose and other carbohydrate. For example, we discuss here cycle of dark reaction. First of all, ribulose. This is a complex compound, ribulose 1,5-biphosphate or phosphate. This is a complex compound, contain 5 carbons. How many carbons? 5 carbon. Now here it combined with carbon dioxide. This is the first phase. Carbon fixation. Here carbon dioxide fixed with ribulose 1,5-biphosphate is a carbon fixation phase. This is the first phase, or it is also called carboxylation. Ribulose biphosphate contain 5 carbon and 1 carbon of carbon dioxide to form here is that to form 6 carbon compound. 6 carbon compound 6 carbon compound is that keto acid. Keto acid. Keto acid is a unstable molecules. So keto acid is break down into two molecules to form 3-phosphoglycerate. 3-phosphoglycerate. It contains two molecules. It contains two molecules, 3-phosphoglycerate. Now it change into 1,3-biphosphate, biphosphate glycerate. By the utilization of 6 molecules of ATP, ATP change into ADP, and 1,3-biphosphate glycerate converted into glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate. Glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate. By the utilization of, here is that, may I discuss in carbo reduction, when we discuss the 3 or 4 phases of reduction, 6-NADPH, change into 6-NADP, the hydrogen of NADP H combined with this hydrogen combined with 1,3-biphosphate glycerate to form glycerate aldehyde 3-phosphate. Now here 6-phosphate. Now here 6-phosphate are released. So after that, glycerate 3-phosphate change into glucose and other organic compound. Change into glucose and other organic compound, and this process again reverts towards the ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. So this is the output. This is the output. This is the output of the reaction. So this is the first phase carboxylation, and this is a second phase reduction, and here is that is a third phase regeneration. This is the third phase regeneration. In regeneration, 3 ATP utilized to form 3 ADP. Now this cycle again start. So this process is called dark reaction. In dark reaction, carbon dioxide combined with ribulose biphosphate. It is a 5-carbon compound. When this carbon compound with this to form 6-carbon compound, keto acid. Keto acid is a complex